Hi, my name is Forteza. Let me tell you a little bit about the TRIBO-S fence protection system manufactured by Forteza.eu company. TRIBO-S is available in 2-zone and 4-zone. This system consists of signal processing units, sensitive element SC86, non-sensitive element, connection sleeves, and end sleeves. TRIBO-S offers quick and easy installation and provides territory protection for any kind of object, like private home, warehouse, airport, solar panel, factory, or army base. TRIBO-S is a certified perimeter intrusion detection system with a level 2 grading. The detectors have environmental class IV from climatic influences according to EN 50131, which means that they are resistant to various weather influences. The detectors will not react to nearby moving objects like vehicles and various animals, as well as snow, sunshine, thick fog, and other weather conditions. The alarm will only be triggered when an intruder is detected. The intruder will be detected on the protected territory upon an entering attempt. Be safe and secure with Forteza.eu.